no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the accompaniment part on piano for Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers. So it's pretty repetitive all the way through. Obviously it's a very short song, it's not even 2 minutes long, so there's only really 4 chords we need, and then I'll teach you most of the bass, the really prominent bass parts as well. And then I will of course sing just as a reference, and I've left the full chords and lyrics links down below. So this one's in the key of A minor, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A minor. Here's middle C as a reference. The lowest note I'll be using is this low A. Obviously with whichever size keyboard, piano you have, just work within the octaves in the range that you do have. So the left hand is blue, the right hand is orange on the screen. I'm going to teach them both at the same time. So start straight away with the verse. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. So we have an A. It's very much a left, right style pattern. So you've got A. And then the chord we actually are forming is an A minor 7. So in the right hand, all you need is E, G, and C, which is a C major chord, first inversion, but with an A, that makes A minor 7. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to an E on the left hand. And the next chord, so this chord is forming an E minor 7, so with the right hand we need D, G and B. So this is the second version of G major by itself. With the E, it's an E minor 7, and you do that once, left, right. The left hand changes to a G, the right hand stays exactly where it is because it's already on a G major chord, and then back to that A minor 7 chord. So if I just do what we've done so far. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. So before all that chord progression starts again, we have the bass part. So we go E, G, G sharp, leads into the A to restart the chord progression. So if I just demonstrate that again. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the counting of when the bass part comes in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You do it's all on the screen, so you do the A minor 7, E minor 7, G to A minor 7, once with the E, G to G sharp bass at the end, and then you do that again, that chord progression again, but except at the very end the bass part goes A, C, D. So I'll just demonstrate what we've done so far. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Sunshine when she's gone, like that. And then we come into an E minor chord, but this time we're playing it here. So it's B, D, G this time. Before we were playing it there, it's all the way up here. You do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand changes to a D, so this is a new chord. And all you're going to do in the right hand is move that shape down to A, C, F. So this makes a D minor 7 chord. 1, 2, 3. And then we play 2 bass notes, so G, G sharp, into the A minor again. E minor 7, G, A minor 7. So if I just go from the E minor 7 bit, so we've just gone that repeats a second time. And before you repeat it, we have that E, G, G sharp bass line lead in. So I'm just going to demonstrate the whole, I guess we'll just call it the verse or the chorus, just this first section. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Wonder if time when she's gone. Wonder if she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. And I know. So he says I know, I'm not sure, maybe about 30 times. And you can, there's no instruments on the track, it's just percussion, so you can click in time. I know. Hey, Ayana leaves young thing alone, but ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. So we repeat that last part 3 times, and then it ends on an A minor 7, but it's a slightly different inversion. So A in the left hand and G, C, E in the right hand. If you want to add a B in there, that makes it sound quite interesting. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Wonder this time when she's gone. Wonder if she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. And I know. Hey, I wanna leave young thing alone, but ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.